Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will learn how to create any logo for free without any software or Photoshop. You can design any types of logo from this website. You can apply any text, any shapes, and this website has 3 million plus icons and logos. You can find your favorite icons from the search bar, and you can change any icon color. You can apply any font and design from here. So today in this video we will learn how to design this logo for your website or any brand. So let's get started, and before starting this video please like, comment, share and subscribe the YouTube channel to get more updates. So first of all we need to visit Logo Maker website. Just visit 𝓢𝓸𝓬𝓲𝓪𝓵 okay, and hit enter, and I will give you this link in the video description box below. Then click on start my design and click on create a new design, and from here you can easily add your logo, text, icons and whatever you want. For example, I wanna add new text. Just click on text and you can type your own text or company name. So I'm typing boosting. Also you can separate this text. So I wanna collect first part. Then you can select this text color from here. Just select your favorite color, or you can visit your website. Just visit your website and you can use your website color. So our website color is green and blue. Okay, so you can use blue color. I have selected blue color for the first text and resize this text from here. Then I wanna add second text string. Okay, and you can select color for your second text. So I've selected green color and resize this text from here and type uppercase text. Then you can change the position and simply drag and drop and select second text. So you can change a style from here, or you can change style for first text. Just select font from here, choose your favorite font. So I am choosing my favorite font, and you can choose any font from here. Then you can add new shape or you can add new icons from here. First of all, I wanna add two shape, two circle shape, or you can select your favorite shape. So add to circle shape and see we have got two circle shapes. So I wanna change this circle color, and you can easily change the position and select second one and select circle color and simply select these circles and resize these circles following the same process and change this position. Okay, and then I wanna add new shape, logo or graphics over the shape. Just select the search bar and you can choose your any logo or icons from here. So I am search for marketing because this is my marketing related website, and select your any favorite logo from here. So select this icon, then change your icon color. So I wanna make this icon color to white because of our icon background will be blue. Okay, simply drag and drop here and simply resize this option and positioning, and as you can see we have designed wonderful logo for our website. Then we need to save this logo. Just click on save logo. Then you have to wait a few seconds to generate our logo file. Then click on download low resolution. Then check this option I accept and click on download free low resolution file, and see we have got our logo. Just open it, and that's all. You can use this logo anywhere, and following the same process you can make and design any logo for your business. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe the YouTube channel to get more updates.